Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can archive chats in Messenger. So if you want to clean up your Messenger and put chats into archive, this is how you are going to do it. So just select the chat tabs that you want to move into archive. For example, I'm going to select this one. Here there will be a pop-up, and at the top there will be this archive option. So if you want to move it, just click on archive, and to see the list of archive chats, you can just click on the three lines icon at the top left corner, and there will be this archive option. So just tap on that, and you'll see these are the chats that I moved recently. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.